Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful day. Bitcoin pulled back yesterday with Ethereum. I closed my trades. I'm protecting my capital. I closed Ethereum trade was in the profits around 14k. Bitcoin and Ton were down. Net loss on those three trades was down. What I want to be doing is I want to be trading the drop. I should have sold the news on the Fed announcement when we pumped. My trades were 100k more in the positive. We had that drop from Bitcoin from 124 to 129, around a 13% drop. Volume is a little bit weak, but I want to be trading the chop up here. We've got a major support you can see at 109k and another major support around here at 100k. Join people in the Guru chat, people discussing trade on WeX, KYC free, Bybit 60k bonus. Bitcoin price.live, you can set these up. Tesla and Google are up, and these are the two that I've moved mostly into. I want to mainly be buying these three now. Nvidia is quite overbought, but still looking like it can pump. Google's P ratio is amazing. Tesla, I'm also picking up, but these two are a little bit overbought. Google is where I've been mostly moving into and getting good results, actually. Funding fee positive. 3.7 trillion Bitcoin dominance, 109,800. We're getting a bit of bounce. It's not the man who has too little, but the man who craves more that is poor. Cena. The hardest thing to judge is what level of risk is safe. Howard Mask. We're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin, Ethereum. I'm going to show you my trades. Hit the subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, turn on the bell. Let's jump into the for Bitcoin now. But the main thing I want to be doing is I want to be buying Bitcoin, Tesla and Google. You can see Ethereum's pulling back. It broke out. We've got a big support at 4,000. I've got trades laddered down. I've entered a little bit of trades on Bitcoin and Ethereum. You can see I've got trades here on Bitcoin and Ethereum. Half of Bitcoin, and I want to add more into Bitcoin though, because we're already down from the recent local high. But I've got buy orders laddered down, but we're already down 13%. So I'm gonna, how low did it just get just now? Just getting a bounce from where local lows. I'm going to go half a Bitcoin now. I've got more buy orders laddered down as well. You can see I've got buy orders at 109, 108, 700, 95, 102, 105 on all those supports. For Ethereum, 43, 43, 33, 35, 39. So I've got buy orders laddered down, and I've just built small positions right now on Ethereum and Bitcoin. Bitcoin getting a bounce. My order didn't activate. Look, it went up just 100 since I tried to buy it 1 second ago. 109,774. Okay, let's pick it up at the current price. Oh, it didn't execute. It activated just a little bit of it, and then it pumped again. Look, you can see my order sitting here with the green dot. Oh, look, it's not getting filled. Interesting. Okay, now it didn't get filled. I think we just jumped. Yep, 109.55. It only filled a little bit of it. Okay, let's do it again. Okay, this time it filled. So one Bitcoin and Ethereum also. We're going to jump into technicals. Let's look, and then I want to quickly look at Google and Tesla. Ethereum, I think, can pull back to the support, the major support 4,000. But on the weekly, you can see it is overbought. Cooling off a little bit. On the daily, you can see it's climbing its trend line almost perfectly since it started this run, pulling back to the trend line. It didn't go that low. The trend line was around 4,200, but it came to 4,300 on the 4-hourly. It's finding support. Volume is growing, oversold. On the hourly, building support. We've got a strong support here. Strong support area here. We've got a bounce. And it pulled back to its trend line. Major support, though, is at 4,000. I've got buy orders at, you can see I've got at 4,300, 4,310. We just came down to, look, we just got a pump now. We came down to 4,400 a few minutes ago. I'm going to add about 10 more Ethereum. Okay, 20 Ethereum trade, now it activated, and I've got that one Bitcoin. And I've got more buy orders down. Let's see how it plays out. Now I want to go into Google and quickly Tesla. Google 209. On the weekly, you can see it's going for a new, it's already all-time high. Resistance coming at 224. Overbought on the weekly as well. On the monthly, it is oversold, still heading up. And the PE ratio of Google is amazing. The PE ratio of Google is only, golden ratio is 22. It was 20 a few days ago when I was buying it and telling everyone. Now it's 22, but that's still around the golden ratio. Let's check out Tesla. Tesla also looks, Nvidia looks overbought. It's on the monthly, it's overbought, but it's still pushing up like crazy. Their earnings is today. Their earnings, and if they smash earnings, it's going to pump and it'll pull up the market also. I want to get in Nvidia, but new all-time high. It's like the most valuable asset in the world right now. It's not pulling back at all. There was a few days ago where it had a little bit of a pullback last week. We got a pullback to 168. But it looks like it's bull flagging. Looks like it's going to head up. I'm going to pick up Nvidia after this video. Join everyone in the Telegram. There's 833 of you online, people discussing. You can join them in there and start talking together. All the links are under the video. The links are down below under the video. Bybit, KYC, WeX, KYC free, Bybit, 60k bonus, the courses, and the Telegram. That's my updates in the market. I'm going to be buying some Nvidia after this video. Hit the subscribe button, smash that thumbs up, and turn on the bell. If the Nvidia earnings are bad, they'll drop. Maybe I'll set some buy orders lower, but if the earnings are good, I think it's going to pump and pull up the market. Love you all. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.